I said, all you gotta do is take it. Don't sit there with dumb looking. Just take the fan. I have this one in here. Hey guys, happy Thursday night. Welcome back to my crazy big black family, guys, on YouTube. Guys, happy Thursday again. I'm going horizontal tonight. I'm not going to do vertical. So let me do a horizontal. I haven't done a horizontal video in a while. And I know that probably be a little bit less. Actually, it might not be less views because it doesn't matter. It's probably all in how I tag it or how I title it. How's y'all's day been today and night went so far, guys? It's a scorcher in Massachusetts. Very hot. More hot and more hot will be the upcoming predictions. Nothing, just hot, and then hot again. This is going to be a very hot summer, guys. Comment down below. Is your state's weather the normal weather, or is it just like a different? Because this is way too hot for our state, especially this in July. 90 plus every day. It's ridiculous. But I just wanted to come on here, guys, and say welcome back to my crazy big black family, and thank you guys so much for subscribing to our channel and watching our videos, and for the support on this channel. We appreciate all the support from you guys on this channel, guys. Thank you so much. Through good times, through bad times, you guys are supporting our channel. We thank you so much, guys. We also ask that you guys go check us out on TikTok, on Costin Family as well, because we also are on TikTok, guys. And also stay tuned for upcoming videos. We're going to try to get things back on track so that, you know, we could try to go back to, well, I'm definitely going to get my, I'm always thinking about my business, but I'm thinking about getting me another little, go back to work, get another little part-time job. I haven't been working. I had to stop working because my mom was sick, so I'm going to probably try to pick myself up and go back to work, get back on track with my my business, get back on track with just life in general, period. Because Popo, did you see if there was something cooler to put on? Because I don't want you'll be sweating. It's gonna be hot. Yeah, like a nice big t-shirt. Yeah, it's crazy hot up here, guys. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, I just want to try to get a little normalizing of things. Not that much can be normalized, but just a little normalizing of things, because it's really been a tough little run here, guys, for the last couple of months, but gotta try to bounce back, if that makes sense. I want to thank everybody again, like I said, for tuning in to my crazy big black family, guys, on YouTube. And if you don't forget, if you do forget, don't forget, please subscribe to this channel and like this video and share this video with a family, a loved one, aunts, cousins, uncles, whoever. Let them know about my crazy big black family on YouTube, guys. We are from Massachusetts up north, guys. So we're Massachusetts folks, and that's the kind of vibe you're gonna get on this side, guys. So welcome to this channel, guys. And if you're on this channel and you happen to catch this live, this upload or this new video, tell somebody about it. Let the people know what's going on this channel, and don't forget, like this video. Happy Thursday night, guys. I will stay tuned and see you guys probably on Friday. I might go live tomorrow. I haven't been live for a couple of days. I try to keep a little system going, bounce back and forth between live, shorts, or whatever, to try to keep the algorithm going. Views are doing pretty good, so I'm not mad about that. Don't really got much.
Remember when Anna brought this daughter into the house? It was like a holiday.
I don't know, but I think that's the one that said something really good that I had at her house. Oh, yes. This is the one I use at our house. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells good.
I brought this one back.
You brought it back? Yeah, I like that one. Yeah, I like the way. That's the one I was wearing when I was over there. It has like a perfume smell. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to try to just get on here and do me a nice little vlog horizontally, because I've been doing vertical. I know it's more right now. The algorithm bloopers is more acceptance to vertical videos and vertical live streams and things like that. But I'm gonna try to switch up the game a little bit here and there, and use my phone and go horizontal, because I actually got a nice little camera for my phone, so I figure the picture quality and the camera quality is pretty good. So I figured, why not go horizontal and get a nice, clear view of the, nice wide screen view, if that makes sense. Try to do a little something a little different every now and then. But I hope you guys have an amazing night. Tomorrow's Friday. This has probably been the longest week of my life. We had to bury my mom 3 days ago. And hopefully we can get through this weekend. It's supposed to be hopefully some thunderstorms coming to cool this state down, because it don't make no sense. But I'm going to try to get through this weekend and stay cool. Everybody out there, try to stay cool. Or if it's too cool, try to get a little warm in your state, because the weather's all discombobulated. What you think to be normal apparently isn't normal anymore. The places, normal climates that's normally hot is cooler. Climates that are normally cool are hotter. So welcome to global warming. That's what they call it, right? Happy Thursday night, guys. It's about 10:50 p.m. on Thursday night. Good night, bro. We going to bed? Not yet. Well, good night if you don't. And take your chain off. Don't sleep in it. And put it up somewhere so you can on my desk or something until the morning. Because I don't want you to sleep in it. That's why I put mine around me and her teddy bear and left it, because I don't want it to get messed up or anything. But yeah, happy Thursday night. See you Friday morning or Friday afternoon at some point, depending upon what I'm doing tomorrow, because I'm going to see how tomorrow goes. Like I said, I'm trying to get things back on track. So everything takes a little bit of time. I'm trying to take things one day at a time. Trying to stay focused with each second, day, and minute that I am doing. So see you guys back again tomorrow, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.